thanks for joining me. Back on the 1 Series. Got problems with the horn. I'm pressing the steering wheel, nothing. All you could hear was a little clicking behind the glove box. Click, click, click. The little relay's just clicking behind the glove box. So straight away I'm thinking, well, that tells me there's power to the system. But it's very, very... Every now and again you get just a little... like a real little squawk. Nothing much. Just pop the bonnet up and have a look. Let me show you where these are, because there's not a lot of info online about this. People are saying take the bumper off, blah, 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 and all this lot. Well, you don't need to. Let's go and have a look. I'll show you. So with the bonnet up, if we just have a little look down here, if you can just see, there you go, there it is, there's your horn. You've got a wire coming in there. That's one side. There's one the same place on the opposite side as well. So this side is a little bit more difficult to get at, but I've got the endoscope and I'll just show you. You can get your hand on it. I'll just record this on here. Okay, and if I just poke this down here. There's your horn. So you can actually see it there. You've got the wire, the connector and everything, and it is literally, it's just, if I put my hand down, and you can see where my hand is, and I've now got my hand on the horn. So there's the horn, and I've got my hand on it. I can get to the connector plug. So there's the connector plug. I get my hand on the connector plug so I can pull the plug off if needs be as well. As far as disconnecting it, you can see on the back of it, there's a nut. It would be difficult, but I can get my hand on that nut as well to undo it. So I think I could do it from here. I could definitely do that side, no problem at all. So all I've just done is just wedged the horn, wedged the hooter with my tripod, grabbed hold of the horn with my hand, just wiggled it about a little bit, and boing, it started working again. Literally just by just moving it. So they're a little bit muted still, but now we've got, both of them are muted, but they're working. So we'll have to replace them at some point, but that will get it through its MOT. If that's been of use, then drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.